We about to have some fun today. For all you trolls out there, get ready because I'm coming for your ass. So we're going to build the anti-troll YouTube comment bot. All right, let me tell you what it is. So obviously trolls are out there everywhere. I love messing with them. And so I get messages like this, from the clickbait title with no backing to the no-code engineer. I'm sure this channel is a joke, or if people are genuinely this stupid. Either way, it makes me worry for humanity. Bro, humanity is screwed with my channel. So here's the idea. So YouTube recently created this. If you guys could see right here, they give you suggested comments, responses to engage with your audience with AI. And today it got me thinking, they don't do it for everything. See, there's a bunch that don't do it here. They randomly put it in, and it got me thinking. I love commenting. I love responding to all your comments, and keep them coming, guys. And all the trolls too, keep them coming. Bring your troll game on point, because I'm coming for your ass. But there is a lot of funny trolls. So why don't we make a bot? So we're going to create a Chrome extension using ChatLLM, and it's going to automatically prompt and create a really funny response to all the trolls. So we're going to have a troll meter, and it's going to basically do the response. Let's just jump right into it and get going. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to be using ChatLLM by Abacus AI. It's a fantastic tool. Here's the reason why I love it, is you have access to different LLMs. ChatGPT-4, Cloud Sonnet 3.7, O3 Mini, O2, DeepSeek, brand new DeepSeek version 3.1. It's got Gemini 2.5, the brand new one, Grok, the new one, the Llama new one, the QWQ new one, and so on, and everything new is on here. If you guys haven't checked out Abacus, the ChatLLM, I got all the links below. You guys could check it out. And of course, buys me a cup of coffee, which I am also super grateful for always. So here's what we're going to do. I want to create a Chrome extension that I can activate to help me create really funny responses to my YouTube comments on my studio.youtube.com. I want to have a button that activates the automation, period. It should create a button right underneath the comment. The button should say generate reply. I also want to use the ChatGPT API to create the really funny response. I'm going to be using a no-code AI tool. Oh, by the way, guys, Abacus AI actually has its own no-code tool called CodeLLM right here. It's exactly like Cursor. It comes with the account. It's $10 a month, which is insane. And I'm not even going to get into what this tool can do, but there's so many different things. It has an operator. It's got all the CodeLLM. It's got all the different models, as I mentioned, image generation, video generation, you name it, it's got it. But that's not what this video is about. So let's keep going. I'm going to be using a no-code AI developer, period, AI tool. Let's see if there's anything else. Can you enhance this prompt to make it better and write all the code so I can input it into the no-code editor? Bang, and we're off and running. So this is prompt number 1. Pretty simple. So it's going to create 3 files most likely, depending on how it wants to do the project. But we're going to be able to take those files and then create it in our CodeLLM product. So what I'm going to do is make a folder on the desktop. We're going to call this Troll Patrol. How about the Troll Killer? We're going to open up Troll Killer, open folder. This works exactly like Cursor if you guys are familiar with it. So here we go, Troll Killer, got it. Then we're going to go back to ChatLLM, and here is all the code. So make a Chrome extension, humor style. Here's the code. So first thing it's going to do is it's going to create a JSON called manifest.json. So let's go in there and create a file called manifest.json. We're going to copy this code, paste that in there. This is just rapid fire here. So manifest.json, it explains what it does. Next thing, it's got the called popup.html. So we're just going to go here. If you guys have never seen how this is done, pretty straightforward. You just basically move all the code over from your editor. Next thing, it's going to do popup.js, which is going to be our next project, popup.js, which is our JavaScript. So we're going to copy that, paste that in here, and then we're going to go .js, which is our probably last file, content.js, content.js, paste that, and that should do it, I think. Let's see, explanation. Oh, there's actually one more. There's background.js. So we're going to do background.js, put that in there, and I think, yes, that's it. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to basically come in here and we're going to click on all of these, click through them, just so it caches them. And then we're going to click over to agent mode, and we're going to say, can you use all this code and make sure that I'm able to upload this and use it as a Chrome extension, period. One thing I want to do too is I want to make sure it does it for studio.com. It's going to be used on this domain. Perfect. So now I give a direction. So this is going to be pretty straightforward, guys. You're going to see how quickly this is. And in the meantime, let me show you some other stuff that this product can do. So the biggest thing that it can do is go to operator mode, which is absolutely insane. So this is an operator that you've seen with the OpenAI one, which costs $200 a month. So I could say something like, how about show me available flights to Greece? But let's do one better. Find me a flight to Vegas on Friday from San Diego in the morning, nonstop, under $400. Look at this, hands-free. And look what it does. Operator's going to open this. If you never mess around with Operator, it is pretty dope. Look, it's going to go to Google. This is full on hands-free, and it's going to start searching for everything in there. Okay, let's save the file here. Hit overwrite, accept. It's going to update everything. Save, overwrite, accept. Let me actually show you how easy this is. It's actually pretty amazing what you can actually do with Google Chrome extensions. It's obviously going to be local. If I wanted to launch this, maybe down the road I'll launch it. But right now it's just for me because I really want to make something that's going to work. So the other thing I want to do is I need to open up, if you go to your search, open up OpenAI API. And all we do is we click over right here to API key. So yeah, so they completely changed this. So I already have one created here. It's called YouTube Comments. But if you guys haven't done it, just create a new one here. So we're going to call this Troll Killer. I'm going to delete this, so don't even bother trying to get it. So copy that. We're going to go back to our editor. Accept that. Here is the API key for OpenAI. Paste that in there. Now let me go in and actually delete the other one. So hit done. Let's delete this one since we're not using it. Make sure you guys delete your keys so people can't take them. It's freaking stupid. I hear horror stories. But anyways, we'll get back to this. So let's go to our operator. Let's see what it found. It found a flight nonstop, San Diego to Vegas this Saturday. Look at that. Under $400 nonstop. So look at that. We got Delta with a carry-on. And then we got obviously the cheap flights, but I ain't taking that. So this just did it all on its own. So while we're working, let it do another thing. Can you also find me the best burger place in San Diego that has less than 50 reviews on Google? So I'm trying to trick it actually. So I'm doing this in real time just to see if I could trick this. I want to actually see what kind of results, because the obvious stuff is too easy. It's just going to search it and give you the results. Like it's no longer complicated, but I'm trying to like actually break the user. So here we go. Oh yeah, so if you guys are curious to how to download, you just go right here and you hit down on the left right here, code LLM. And then you got your DMG for Mac, and you can also do it for Linux and Windows. And this thing is $10 a month. So that part to me is kind of insane. How the hell are they able to charge $10 a month for this? Look right here, per user, $10 a month. You get access to all the best LLMs that you can use. So DeepSeek, whatever ones you want. You then get access to the editor, which we're using here. And then you get access to making images, so you can do all your information. You can do PDF, and you could do analysis. And there's so many different things, and not to mention all the integration. So you could set up your agents on here also. There's definitely a lot of things that ChatLLM can do. And the fact that it's $10 a month kind of blows my mind. But so definitely check it out below. I've been getting a bunch of our students, a bunch of the people from our community, which actually, gosh, we got to be getting close. Let me take a look. So if you guys don't know, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no-code AI dev. And I have an amazing community called the NoCode AI Army. I'm not going to bore you too much with it. We got 3,082 people in here, building, creating. We got people that know code. We got people that have no idea what code is. And we're just creating and collaborating. So let's go back to our project. And it's absolutely for free, 100% free for you guys. Let's see if it's done. I'm going to wait for it to finish. Let's see how we got it. Let's see. I think it's done. Yep, it's finished. So now all we got to do, let me show you. Go load unpacked. And then you pick the folder, Troll Killer, hit enter, and right here, look at this, it's there. And then all you gotta do is go up here, hit manage extension, search for it. So we got YouTube Funny Generator, and then it brings it up right here. Look at that. Then we got our API key, which is successfully connected. And now let's go to our comments section, hit refresh, and drum roll, let's see. Didn't work, okay, that's okay. And you can see right here, vidIQ actually has a similar feature, but I just don't want to be paying them, whatever it is, $40 a month to use this. So I want to just create it ourselves. Plus, I want to just show you what you can do with no code. So it's not working right now. It's not showing up. So let's see if there's any errors. So that's V1. That's okay. It is taking a while to load, but it's okay. I don't see it. So let's see. I installed the Chrome extension, but I don't see the button to create the reply, period. Make sure you render the button underneath the comment. That's the next two. Oh, actually, let's start a new conversation. So if you've never used these no-code AI tools, they get bogged down. If the message thread is too long, it's going to use too many tokens. So just reset it to a new one. So we're going to say, I installed the Chrome extension, but I don't see the button underneath the comment to reply and generate an API result. Next prompt. Let's go back and see how ChatGPT or Chat is doing. with our burger. So it's still searching for us. So it's got all these different burgers. Look at this. New burger place in San Diego. So now it's searching for that. Pretty crazy what it can do. Let me see what else I could show you. So one of the big things too is obviously you can create custom chatbots. You can create custom AI agents on here. Everything's all in one. This is like an all-in-one, and so much more you can do. You could do video generation. You could do image generation. You could do video analysis. This is one of my favorite tools. So check this out. If you go to YouTube, I love this feature. Let's go to Manus did all the work.
Can Manus AI build you?
I do like Manus. And say, can you give me 5 bullet points from this video? Keep it short. If I was making a TikTok video about this video, paste. And guess what? It's going to go in now. It's going to transcribe that video all in the program. Look at this. Here's the 5 short bullet points for a TikTok video. AI Startup Challenge. Greg Eisenberg uses Manus to brainstorm $1 million ideas. Surpassing results. Manus delivers creativity. Top idea, key insights, and takeaway. AI tools like Manus can be your co-founder for startup success. How insane is that? And here's the best part. Put them up against each other. Give me your Claude Sonnet 3.7 response. You can just click it right there, all in one. So that's one reason I really, really like ChatLLM by Abacus. It definitely works. So that's cooking. We also got our app. Let's see. We got accept. I think it updated it. Let's see how it's doing. Before, you would have to jump back and forth between so many different languages. So let's say I wanted to do something using DeepSeek. DeepSeek version 3.1. There it is. Now you can start using DeepSeek version 3.1. Click Playground, and now look what it can do. Make a fun simulation that allows me to create clouds, different density, different gravity, visually. I want a visual simulator to create clouds. That's a pretty tough ask if you ask any, but what Playground does is it's going to start coding it, and it's going to actually allow you to preview right within the browser. Look at this. It's so sick. So now it's going to create this, and you're going to be able to actually preview it right in the browser. There it is. Look at that. How cool is that? It's very cool. And all done in browser. This normally would have to go through the whole process like I did the other one, but for quick things, it's absolutely insane. Let's do one more while we play around and we wait for our no code to be done. Can you make a simple scroll game where a little 3.js character has to jump over cactus running left to right with the spacebar? And we're off. And we're using DeepSeek version 3.1 for this, as you guys can see. But again, I can just swap it to something else. So if you want to see what all these different models can do, this is definitely a great way to go about it. Based on the reviews and trading, the Crack Shack Pacific Beach appears to be the best burger place in San Diego with less than 50 reviews. It has a high rating, 12 reviews. Customers rave about the quality of the food. The price range is almost reasonable, $10 to $20 compared to Swaggle Burger in East Village, between 30 and 40. Here's the best part. I know the Crack Shack, and it is buzzing. So you guys have seen Operator at work. You guys saw me build with this, and now we're going to finish our project, and we're going to be done. Let me remove this. Again, I like to just remove it. I know people say you don't need to remove it, but I just like to do it because then it guarantees that it's fully updated. Save API key, hit refresh, and let's see what happens. There it is. Okay, so it did work, as you can see, but I have a bunch of responses. So I think it picked up a bunch of these, but it's not an issue. We're not worried about that. We are worried about the results. So let's see. We're going to hit reply. So this guy said, from the clickbait title with no backing to the no-code engineer, I am not sure if this channel is a joke or if personal genuinely this stupid. Either way, it makes me worry for humanity. Let's generate our funny response. Well, at least you know intelligence is safe from the no-code AI engineer. And then we're going to paste that here. So it does work, guys. You just watched me do it. Obviously, there is work to be done. Finesse it. Make sure it's just a one single class and one response. I could probably actually have it write it and copy it right in there. I could also do another button that says regenerate. Let's just do this. I want you to be the biggest asshole, and I want you to come up with the funniest responses. Don't hold back. I want you to write the funniest in-your-face responses for all these trolls, period. We coming for you. So if you got some comments, leave them in the comments section. Let's go. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. We're having a lot of fun here using ChatLLM Teams through Abacus. You're able to access pretty much all the best LLMs out there. You no longer need to have subscriptions for a bunch of them. This is the craziest part about it, is you're able to do pretty much everything that all these different chat LLMs do, including image generation, which is actually high quality. So let me show you really quick. You can humanize voice, text, video, You could scrape in the internet. Let's go to image and check out all the different models you can use. The brand new one, Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, which is sick. Make two. Let's just do one image. Marcin AI running through the field of money. I wonder if it knows who I am. That's kind of scary, actually. I've never done this. Let's see what it thinks Marcin AI is. And all the trolls. I can't wait. So we got the burger check. Okay. There it is. Wow, that's pretty nice, actually. Look at the quality of that. Yeah, sick. Let's take a look at our updated project. So it finished. Okay, but not least, we are going to do our final extension. Let's remove it. Load unpacked. Same process. So the whole idea of this, me making this, is one, I just want to mess with the trolls, which I do love. But two is I want to show you the power of what you can actually do with these no-code tools, these large language models, and give you just insane power to do Chrome extensions, to make actual products, and you no longer have to pay for all these services. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go back. I love that it says roast this comment. Preparing savage comeback. Here we go, baby. I need the goods. Oh, it's definitely thinking. So let's see what is gonna. Oh, I think I need to turn this on actually. Oh, here it is. Oh, damn, this is gonna be straight fire. Hold on. This is like gonna be a freaking. Well, congratulations, Sherlock. Looks like we've got a modern day genius in our midst. Forget about curing cancer or ending world hunger. This YouTube comment warrior had cracked the case of the century. The real threat to humanity is a channel that makes jokes. Who knew that a few clickbait titles and some no-code engineer banter could send shockwaves through the entire universe? Give this person a Nobel Prize. They're clearly got their priorities straight. Oh, that's so good. All right, we're going to reply. We got to. There's no way. Let's find another one. This is a great video. This is very helpful. Most of them is good, which I love you guys. Thank you so much for the comments, the support and everything. Let me see if I can find another one. Can you build me a website? Can you produce a video? If only the world was more like you. Oh, everybody's so freaking sweet. Everybody's too nice. Maybe I built the wrong thing. I like this website. Oh, here we go. Perfect. I like his website. All AI website builders create some cheap looking template like websites. Lovable websites does not look good. No, I don't want to roast this guy. Maybe a live session. Damn, I want to find something good. Will it not work? Brother, which AI would you recommend? Very fake AI. Let's try this one. Let's just see what it does. Very fake AI. I don't want to be mean though. Let's see. Here we go. I really don't want to be mean because this guy didn't say anything. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I forget to sprinkle some magical fairy dust over my comment to automatically link the website to you? My bad. I'll make sure to include a treasure map and GPS next time so you can find your way out of your mom's basement. Oh my God. We officially have our anti-troll YouTube comment bot that we created using the ChatLLM code LLM right here. We created a Chrome extension in literally 5 minutes, and we're able to respond to hate comments and trolls on YouTube automatically. Absolutely insane. This is normally something you have to pay for. I know vidIQ does it. Actually, YouTube did it now. They're suggesting, but we added it and made it really funny and to roast the comments. So that is the game, and it's been super fun to make. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh, damn, I almost forgot about our game. Here we go. Check this out. Can't forget about our game. We got our game right here. Look at this preview and look at that space bar to start again. It works. Oh man, one shot prompted this. I didn't even know. Me again, jump over stuff. Insane. Yeah, so you guys can see the power of this. We use DeepSeek version 3.1 and it's insane what it can do. So sky's the limit. Go check it out for yourself and build some fun shit and let me know in the comment section what you guys make. But I do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna do some other crazy stuff. Let me know in the comment section what I should try next, what tools and what we should build using ChatLLM and all these different language models. And there's literally 29 in here. So I'm super excited, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.